Come on, you boys, they're great! Well, way back in 2012 in Poland, he came over. He was only one.
So how does it feel now to be here at a tournament that you might remember?
It's great, I must say. I can't wait to watch the match. It's going to be class.
And the big question, do you have tickets?
We do.
How did you manage it?
We've gone to a lot of away games and we've had the money in the bank, so to speak, and we got the tickets, so we're lucky enough.
You're chuffed, are you?
Absolutely. A lot of people here without tickets.
Anyone offering you any money for them?
We're not selling them.
Put a price on them.
No, couldn't put a price on them whatsoever. Gold dust.
We're here for the crack and for the laughs and for the match, the atmosphere, the whole thing.
Have you got tickets?
No, unfortunately not. We'd love to, but no, we just don't.
Do you care?
No.
Do you have tickets?
Look, yeah, you know yourself.
No,
yeah.
I don't. Go on, tell me.
A little birdie landed on my shoulder, so for myself and my son here, so yeah.
Quietly confident. I think we can win this game tonight. Like, they want lack support.